So since we have our microscope all set up, we can power it on here, and once you do that, your light comes on, and with that you can have your sample on the stage and then do your necessary adjustments so that you can view your sample. So I'm going to get a slide, a prepared slide. So this has a sample already prepared, and this is a plant cell. So I'm going to place this on the stage. So first I have to take the stage down, and with the clips open, I put my specimen and then clip it. So we can at this point notice that our light is very far away from our sample, our slide. So we can use the knobs here by the side here to adjust our stage so that the sample can be directly under our light. So I'm going to use this knob here to move it our stage forward so that we can have our specimen directly under the light source. Now we also have a second knob just below, right below the first one. We can use it to move our specimen or our slide along the x-axis, so from left to right. So this does from left to right, while this does from forward and backward. Now we have our sample in place, then we can view this sample with the eye and through the eye pieces, and then use the knob by the side to adjust for focus. So at the moment I'm just going to have our objective lens right on our sample, and with the bigger knob here we can do our coarse focus. So now we can view the plant cell right under our microscope. So this is what it looks like under the microscope. This is a plant cell. You can always get this binocular microscope and every other scientific laboratory product from Simmyfranks, West Africa. You can visit www.simmyfranks.com to get your equipment or to learn more.